Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter of 10th standard, that is real numbers. In that we are going to discuss the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic, that is every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occurs. This is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. That means every composite number that we can express it as the product of prime numbers. Okay, every composite number that we can express it as the product of prime numbers, and that representation or that factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occurs. The order in which the prime factors occurs, that is not important, otherwise that factorization is unique. Okay, and if we have the prime factorization means if we write a number as the product of prime numbers, then we can find the HCF and LCM of two numbers, 2 or 3 numbers, that is up to your question. So HCF is actually product of the smallest power of each common prime factor in the numbers. Okay, if you want to find out HCF, just write the common prime factors. Suppose you have two numbers, then first find out the prime factorization corresponding to that two numbers. After that, just take the common prime factors. The prime factors which is common in that two numbers, just write it, and the smallest power of that prime factor. The smallest power of that prime factor, write that. Okay, then take the product, that will give HCF. And LCM, here we are considering only the common prime factors, but in HCF we will list out all the prime factors involved in the numbers. We will list out all the prime factors involved in the numbers, and instead of the smallest power we will write greatest power. Okay, the difference between HCF and LCM from prime factorization, that is in the HCF we will write only the common prime factors and the smallest power, but in LCM we will write the all prime numbers, all the prime numbers involved in that prime factorization, and we will write the greatest power. Okay, and there is one relation between those HCF and LCM, that is, suppose A and B, that is our given numbers, A and B, that is our given numbers, then HCF of AB into LCM of AB is equal to product of that two numbers. This is very important result. HCF of AB into LCM of AB is equal to product of that two numbers. Okay, so fundamental theorem of arithmetic, it means we can express every composite number as a product of prime numbers, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occurs. Okay, the order in which the prime factors occurs, that is not important, and this factorization is unique, and every composite number we can express it as a prime numbers, a product of prime numbers, and that expression is called a prime factorization. Okay, HCF we will list out the common prime factor and we will write the smallest power. LCM we will list out all the prime factors involved in that numbers and we will write the greatest power. The relation, that is HCF of two numbers into LCM of two numbers is equal to product of that two numbers. Okay.